Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Great to have you with us again, my friend.
Today's episode is a big one, something that can truly change the way you learn English.
Yes, we're talking about how to think in English.
Ooh, I love that topic. Thinking in English is like discovering a secret door to fluency.
Exactly. It's that hidden skill that makes English feel natural. Not just something you study, but something you live.
Before we begin, remember to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thank you.
All right then, let's open that door together. So, Tom, why is this so important?
Well, Anna, when learners think in their own language first and then translate to English, it slows them down.
Ah, yes. I see that a lot. People hesitate because they're busy translating in their heads.
Right? But when you think directly in English, words flow naturally. You don't have to pause and translate every time.
It's like taking a shortcut from your brain to your mouth. No traffic jam in between.
Exactly. A direct path to fluency. You speak faster, feel more confident, and sound more natural.
So it's not only about speed, it's about confidence too.
Yes. When you think in English, you start feeling like you own the language. You're not borrowing it.
That's a powerful feeling. You're not a student anymore. You're a speaker.
Exactly. And when you think in English, your brain begins to feel the language, not just understand it.
That's beautiful. Thinking in English helps you dream, plan, and feel, all in English. So where can a beginner start? It sounds a bit hard.
Actually, it's easy if you start small. Use words you already know.
Like what?
For example, when you're hungry, think, I'm hungry. Don't translate from your language.
Oh, that's simple. Or if you see the sun, think it's sunny.
Yes. Or when it's raining, think it's raining. These tiny sentences build a habit.
It's like training your brain step by step.
Exactly. Even thinking yes or no in English is a start. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just start.
I love that. Start with what you have now.
Right. And when you don't know a word, try to describe it in English. For example, if you forget umbrella, you can say, it helps me when it rains.
Ah, yes, that's smart. Use other words you know. Don't stop speaking just because you forget one word.
Exactly. Let's try a few together. Repeat after me. I'm hungry. It's raining. The sky is blue. I'm tired.
Good job. See, you're already thinking in English.
Here's a fun exercise. Describe what you see around you in English.
Oh, like a mental game.
Yes. If you're in your room, think, this is my bed. Or I see a chair. Or my window is open.
And if you're outside, you can think the sky is blue. Or there's a big tree.
Exactly. You're linking English words to real things. No translation needed.
It's like building a direct bridge between objects and English words.
Right. And that bridge gets stronger the more you cross it.
So the next time you look around, say what you see in your head. You'll be surprised how fast you improve.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us slowly. This is my table. There is a book. I see a cup. The door is open. The light is on.
Perfect. These small sentences are gold for your brain.
Tom. And here's a tip. Say these words softly to yourself. Even whispering counts as practice. Anna.
That's true. You don't need a classroom to learn. Your world is your classroom. Now, Tom, I know some learners will laugh at this, but you often tell them to talk to yourself?
Ha ha ha. Yes, and it works. You can speak quietly or in your head. It's your own private English practice.
So I can say, I'm walking to the store, or what should I buy?
Exactly. Or, I need to cook dinner. I'm washing dishes. You're narrating your life in English.
That's fun. It removes fear and makes English a natural part of daily life.
Right. Also, try shadowing. Listen and repeat after native speakers as closely as possible.
Like if you say, hello everyone, I say it right after you, matching the tone and rhythm.
Exactly. It trains your mouth and brain together. It's one of the fastest ways to think in English.
Let's show them. Tom, say a short line and I'll shadow you.
All right. Today is a beautiful day.
Repeats. Today is a beautiful day.
Good. And again, I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
Perfect. Shadowing helps your pronunciation and rhythm.
Yes, and you can do it anywhere, with podcasts, YouTube videos, or songs.
Exactly. Start with slow English. Then, little by little, try faster voices.
Tom, what if someone says, but I forget to practice thinking in English?
That's okay. Start with just 1 minute a day. You can do it while brushing your teeth or walking.
Oh, that's easy. You can even think about your plans for the day.
Like, I will eat breakfast. I will go to work. I will meet my friend. Exactly. And at night, think in English too. What did I do today? I cooked dinner. I watched a movie.
That's a great review practice. Morning for planning, night for remembering.
Yes, it keeps your brain active in English all day long.
Let's do a quick challenge. Everyone, close your eyes for a moment and think of your morning in English. Say it in your head. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee.
Good job. That's thinking in English already.
Now, Tom, let's give them a simple 3-step routine they can follow every day.
Perfect. Step 1, morning English mind. When you wake up, describe what you see. Say, it's morning. The sun is shining. I'm getting up.
Step 2, midday English moments. During the day, talk to yourself in English about what you're doing. For example, I'm eating lunch. I'm working. I'm reading emails.
Yes. Step 3, evening English reflection. Before bed, think back to your day in English. I went to work. I watched TV. I learned new words.
That's a beautiful way to end your day. You're not just learning, you're living in English.
Exactly. It becomes part of your thoughts, part of your life.
Let's repeat the 3 steps together, everyone. Morning, describe your world. Afternoon, talk to yourself. Evening, reflect in English.
Perfect.
So, Tom, before we finish, let's give our listeners a little challenge.
All right. Describe your room in English right now, in your head.
For example, I'm sitting on a chair. I see my phone. My table is brown.
Yes. Simple sentences are enough. Just start. Make English a daily habit.
Remember, even 5 minutes of thinking in English a day can make a huge difference.
And don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond, share this episode, and tell us in the comments. What is one thing you will describe in English today?
We love reading your answers.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, listen again tomorrow and shadow along with us.
That's right. The more you repeat, the more natural it feels.
Keep practicing, keep thinking, and soon your thoughts will live in English.
That's the real secret to fluency.
Keep thinking in English, my friend. See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Bond.
Bye-bye, everyone.